G'day and welcome back to Campfire Training with McDaddy and Tubby Tubster. Today I've decided to go to the barbecue and make myself a little treat, and these are Welsh cakes. In this video I'll show you how to make them and give you a couple of recipes. So sit back, see how it's done and enjoy the end result. Now for this recipe we need to the flour, caster sugar, baking powder, mace, salt and ground cinnamon. I mixed that up. Then I segmented the lard and butter. I put that into the mix and rubbed it in until we have a fairly crumbly sort of mix. Now to this I'm going to add the currants. After that I will add my beaten eggs and slowly mix it in, adding a little bit of milk as I go to get the right consistency. So I've done the Welsh cakes, I've rolled out the mix, I cut out the circles using a glass, use your old Vegemite jar. Anyway, I've got from my mix about 33 Welsh cakes. Now they're about a pencil thick. So I've got this on low heat and I'll just turn it over. As you can see, it's being done on a barbecue. It's all griddle cake type stuff. Okay, here we go. Welsh cakes are on the barbecue plate, just cooking up. It's on a low to moderate heat. Should take about 5 minutes. I'll just leave them for a little while, then I'll turn them over until they're lightly browned. Okay, so here's the Welsh cakes all cooked up. So what I would normally do from here now is I'll make up another little mix with cinnamon sugar and caster sugar. I'll dust these lightly. My barbecue is running a bit hot, so these only took a couple of minutes to fully cook. Okay, thanks for watching, and until next time, look after yourselves and enjoy. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe. Thank you.